Hello, I'm Rudy from Benifero with the Benifero frequency regulator. Frequency regulator regulates the speed of a filter pump. So I first put the filter pump into the regulator and then the regulator into the mains. It will start up at 2900 RPM, so full speed for 1 minute, and then it will go back to the last setting used when I plugged it out last time. So there we go, 2900 RPM, and in 1 minute we will go back to 2200 RPM. There we go, speed is now reduced to 2200 RPM. There are two buttons, one to increase the speed and another one to reduce the speed. And as I said before, the last setting used will be the one at which the frequency regulator will return next time. There is nothing to program, so what we need is a plug with a timer or a smart plug from Wi-Fi pool, which you can steer the timer via your mobile phone. Good luck, bye!